Hello everyone, my name is ANUPINDER Kaur. I secured rank 585 in this year, UPSC CSE 2023. I would like to express my gratitude towards CHROME IAS, which helped me in my optional. Uh, Specifically, I would like to thank Ravika Ma'am and her crash course specifically. She helped me a lot during my mains in answer writing as well as completing the syllabus on time. I would like to point out 2-3 points about the crash course of ma'am. First is there are very crisp and the practical knowledge which is there in the program. Second is the videos are very comprehensive in nature to complete the syllabus on the time. Third is the current events and the current affairs are also being included uh, in the video, which helps us to conceptualize and organize answers in a well-structured manner. I would like to point out specifically about the paper 2, which helped me in scoring well in the paper 2 of psychology. The videos on the environment psychology, educational psychology are there. Ma'am has taught in a very well structured manner. I remember I listened the video of educational psychology. Ma'am taught it in a very different manner, and I also wrote the answer on the educational psychology in the same way. That I think helped me in securing well in the paper 2, which jumped my score. Thirdly, the test series of the CHROME IAS, specifically Ravika Ma'am, she helped me in improving my answers, how to include the current affairs, how to add different kind of examples. She also helped me, asked me to use ChatGPT and different examples, how to write introduction, how to write conclusion. These things helped me to improve my answers. Last thing which I would like to point out is there's a video, 3-hour video on the stats part, research methodology, which is major difficult in psychology. Ma'am, there is a video of ma'am of 3 to 4 hours, which helped us to actually in a one go, one can complete the entire research method units. This is very helpful. I think aspiring students can use that video and crash course to improve their score and structure their answer well in and score well. Last but not the least, I really would like to thank CHROME IAS and Ravika Ma'am to be with me during my journey. Thank you so much, ma'am.